Are you a homeschool mom? Do you enjoy printing and creating different types of worksheets for your kids, especially because you want to keep them off the screens? I know that's me. If that is you, you've come to the right video. I'm going to teach you how to create word search puzzles, but not just any word search puzzle for your kids, coloring word search puzzles, and it's only going to take a few clicks. Let's get started. What you're looking at right now is my dashboard, and the tool that I'm about to share with you is the tool that you need to create instant coloring word search puzzles, which is insane, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. What you're looking at right now is the puzzle apps and the math apps generators. These are all generators, and just for the next couple of days, I'm not sure when it's going to be closed, but right now you have access to join the charter membership and have access to all the puzzle apps and all the math apps for the price of one month to month. And if you're like me and you're a homeschool mom and you love to create different types of worksheets and you want to create these types of workbooks and sell as a homeschool mom, you can do that too. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and click on puzzle apps, and I'm going to click on the coloring word search puzzle generator. I'm going to go ahead and click on the one that I just clicked on. Now I'm going to go ahead and name the puzzle. For me, I'm going to create one for my daughter. So it's going to be Nina's word search puzzle. I'm going to click on create collection, and it's right here in my list of collections under number 1. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now, all you have to do, pay very close attention. All you have to do, you have to create a list of words that you want to go ahead and have in your puzzles. And the way that you can create it is one of two ways. Either you do some research based on your child's curriculum. My daughter is in 2nd grade. So what did I do? I went ahead and did a list of all her vocabulary words and maybe some sight words that she is going to encounter throughout the next 9 weeks. And I went ahead and just chose some, and I'm going to show you now, just a second, what I did, because that's all you have to do. You go to your computer's notepad, right? And then I went ahead and broke them down in sets of 6. So we have one set right here. That's the first set, then the second, then the third, then the fourth. What I did is that I wrote the word title. I gave this set of words a name. Life is awesome. The next one is learning, then colorful, then dance. You need these words. You need to save this onto your computer because you need to upload them here on this template that you see here. And you're going to see how easy this can be done. Now, what we're going to do is if I click here where it says coloring word search elements, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This right here is just a template. This is what it's going to look like. And if you want to go ahead and expand it a little bit more, you can. Okay. And then if you want to change this and maybe move it, you can. But this is just a template. We need to add the words that we have on our notepad. And because we want to, with those words, we want to go ahead and create the coloring word search puzzles, right? All you have to do, okay, I saved, you see these words that I went ahead and extracted from my daughter's curriculum. I saved them to the computer. Then you go here. This is the magical button. I call it the magical button. And it's called bulk clone. We're going to go ahead and click on it. Then what we do, we click on the second one where it says word search clone the pages as is. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. What do we do here? I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop the file that I saved to the computer. Let me go ahead and show you. All you do is click on it with your mouse. Now I have it here. It says coloring word search list. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. As you can see here, they're already separated into those groups. That is why when I saved them here on my notepad, I made sure that they were grouped in groups of 6. Now look what happens. I'm going to go ahead and click on create puzzles. This is instant, guys. I click on create puzzles, and just like that, I have those words here. These words, the word search puzzle is already complete with the words that I selected. This is how easy it can be done. And if you want to do a set of maybe like 50 pages, you can. All you have to do is do some research or use ChatGPT. ChatGPT will group the certain number of words that you ask it to group. Maybe it's like a set of 5 words. It will group it in this fashion. Okay, and all you have to do is copy it, paste it onto your computer's notepad, then you upload it onto this platform, click bulk clone, and just drag and drop and click on create puzzles. And guys, here you have it. And what I like to do is I like to, with anything, whether it's math drills or addition drills or other types of word search puzzles, I like to go ahead and save them. So I'll go ahead and download and save them to my computer as a PDF file. Then I send this file onto FedEx printing, and they print it out for me in the form of a spiral notebook, which is something that you can do. You could do this with your kids. What's exciting is that if you decide to go ahead and create something like this and sell it online on something like on Amazon KDP or online on a platform like Etsy, you can do that too, which is amazing. To start exploring and creating different types of coloring word search puzzle books, if you want to go ahead and print them out or just as regular loose sheets, you can go ahead and do that. Just go ahead and click on the link below where it says puzzle apps. And that will also give you access to the other apps that you can use, all the other generators that you can use to create a multitude of different types of puzzles, mazes, you name it. And if you want to go ahead and start creating different types of maybe workbooks that you can go ahead and sell online as printable, downloadable files, you can go ahead and do that. I mean, there are so many things that you can do. You can create a stand store and sell your PDF documents there. Or if you already have an Etsy shop, it will be amazing for you to offer something as unique as a coloring word search puzzle workbook or worksheets. I hope this video was helpful. I hope that it was easy to follow. It's the easiest type of book that you can create. All you have to do is take that little bit of time to go ahead and create those lists, the word lists, click, drag, upload, and create puzzles. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.